Hello friend, I will explain you how to calculate bathroom exhaust fan. First, you have to calculate air change per hour in your bathroom. After ACH, you can convert it to CFM. There are few types of bathroom exhaust systems. One type is wall mounted type. If your bathroom wall exposed to the outside, you can choose wall mounted type. If your if your bathroom inside your building, you can choose disc valve type. And your bathroom have if your bathroom has few water closet, you can choose few disc valves. When we calculate air changes per hour for bathroom, normally ACH is 6 for the bathrooms, and you can see there is 6 bathroom 6, bedrooms 5 to 6, kitchen 7 to 8, and ACH equal bathroom volume multiplied by 6. Then you can convert air changes per hour to cubic feet per minute. It means CFM. When you select wall mounted type, you can connect it directly to the lighting switch. When you light on, the fan start, or when you open the door, the fan will start. This is the KDH catalog. You can see there is a RPM of the fan, CFM, motor rating voltage, motor watt, motor type, noise level, and net weight. When you select disc valve type, this disc valve, we can control exhaust flow rate, and it connect via ducted system, and exhaust volume control by this fan. This is a duct mounted fan. This is the installation guide. Rotate diffuser's central part clockwise to reduce airflow or counterclockwise to enhance the airflow. This is a flexible duct, and it connect to the ducted exhaust fan. You can connect few disc valve to the ducted exhaust fan. When you calculate your duct system, please airflow rate must be below 600 feet per minute. This is the disc valve catalog, and here is the opening in millimeter. In here plus S, there is minus S, and this is the neck size of your selected disc valve, and this is the flow rate in cubic meter per hour, and according to the opening there is a pressure propagate in your disc valve, and according to this pressure and your duct friction loss, you must select your ducted exhaust fan. Okay, when please consider 80 nominal size neck valve, and it is plus 6, this open 6 millimeter, and according to the flow rate, this is the Pascal, and this is the noise level, and also minus mean it loss. If you have any problem in bathroom exhaust system design, please ask me by a comment. Thank you.